Want to know how to get longer life out of your shoes? I'll show you the secret. So I was mowing the grass yesterday, and the front of our place is very, very steeply sloped, like 35-40 degrees. Now I normally get around barefoot, which is my preferred way of travel. But I thought because of the steepness of the front yard, I'd better put on some shoes. So I grabbed a faithful old pair of Reeboks just to do the mowing because I didn't want to use any good shoes. And no sooner had I started than they started to fall apart. So first this one, the sole came apart. And then this one. And this has happened to me on a lot of different pairs of shoes over the last 5 or 6 years. And someone told me the secret. You have to wear shoes often. Because the glue holding the shoe to the sole, if you don't heat it with your feet by wearing it for a while, well, you've seen what happens. So that's the simple trick of longevity for your shoes. Wear them often, or at least occasionally, a few times a year, just to keep that glue holding the sole onto the shoe. And this applies to many types of shoe, whether they be boots, sand shoes, running shoes, what have you. Well, another quick tip from Steve Mac. I'll see you later. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to click that button and hit the little bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos.